Hey everybody, today I'm gonna unbox my Saint Laurent Cassandra bag. It's a small Cassandra bag with handle. Let's unbox it. The sales agent is really nice. She helps me to wrap it pretty beautiful. Let's unwrap. And I will going to unwrap it. Let's open this box. So now we will finally open this box. Okay, so yeah, it's all black, and there's a dust bag from Saint Laurent. This one, here's my dust bag, and let's grab it out. So here's this Cassandra bag. Let me double check its size. So it's really nice, right? There's a handle, and why I buy this bag? Because there is a back flap. I want to put my phone. This is really important for me. I just buy for this back flap. And I love this pure laser. Let me open. And here is a twist open hardware. I really like this design. So we just twist it and we can open it. And inside the interior is red, and there is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's a hidden layer without zipper, but you can put some hello card from Saint Laurent. So I really love this bag. I love its leather. It's all leather. It's very spacious, and you can put multiple items in it. And I love this hardware design. I love this gold quilted hardware, and I love this handle. I can grab like this, and I can also use it as a crossbody bag. Let me show you guys the full thing with this strap. So after I got this strap, I can try to wear it like. I really love this bag. It's pretty. And you can handle it like this way, and you can put your phones in the back strap. So cool, right? Let's have a final look at this bag. You see this handle? It looks elegant. And here is the side. Here is the side look. And here is a back flap. I really love this little space here. And here is another side. So this gonna looks like the whole bag. Nice, right? If you love this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye, see you next time.